Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 12 of saving $6-ish a day. It's really, I should be saying $10-ish a day, because I've been able to bring $12 every day so far this month, and technically we're saving all 12 of it, so it's no longer 6. But the 6 applies to my dailies. But if we come back here to this little experiment I'm doing is I'm inspired by a lot of the ladies in the community that have their daily saves that they do, like Judy and Anna Banana. So I am taking a little twist on it for myself and saying, okay, I have this new challenge that I created, and it's for my 1,000th video on YouTube. It's to save $1,000, and that's kind of a big amount. So I thought I would bring $6 for my dailies and $6 for this, and I will roll my D6. I've been rolling my honey die, and we got 2. Oh my gosh. I feel like we started out strong the first 2 days, getting 6 both days, and I was like, I see how this is gonna go. But we're gonna add $2 here. I am just coloring a circle. There's 31 circles to represent every day in August, and since I'm doing a daily video every day, thought this was a perfect place to do it. So now that is done. And now we have $10 that we are going to put towards our minis. So we need $4 worth of 50-cent pieces. So we have 51, 52, 53, 54. So that is what we're going to put with our $6 of prop coins that are in quarters that we already have measured out. We're just going to mix them up in here. And then, ooh, I get to shuffle, and then I'll put my money away and we will get started. One more. This should just gonna turn into a shuffling video. Ooh, that was a good one. All right, we're gonna cut the deck. So now we have $10 to put into our bank. So basically we are putting $10 in here, and then we got $10 worth of prop coins to represent the money we just put in the bank. We are going to go to our paper clip, which is on number 3. And we are now going to move that die, and we are going to roll a D3 and see how many coins I need to put on each one. So 2 on 3. How are you guys doing this week? 1 and 2. Are you enjoying August and your summer? I feel like time flies, and I feel like we've all been saying that, but it's really just, it can fly a little faster and get to fall and then slow down. I absolutely love the fall. I need some time to really enjoy it, to enjoy my sweaters. 1 for 2. I just want to enjoy as much as I can of fall. All right, 3 for 3. We're going to use that one, so 1 for 4. 1, 2, 3 for 5. 1 and 2 for 6. Oh, I'm trying to go that way. Ugh. 2 for 1. 2. Whenever I hear 2 for 1, I think of the sale. 2 for 1. Okay, come on. Oh, poor 2. 2 for 3. 1 for 4. We finished a bunch yesterday, so I do not think we're going to finish anything today, but we'll keep moving things along. Though the dice might have us finish 6, I guess. All right, so we're going to start again on number 1 tomorrow. I kind of stopped paying attention, so hopefully I did that right. So I'm going to scoot this here, scoot that back. Okay, so number 1 has $1, so we have 50, 25, and 25. And number 1 is this cute one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. And this marker is from Pen & Gear, and I don't know if it's still on sale, but it was on sale for 50 cents for the box. So we can do 4 more squares. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 50 and then 25. number 2. Number 2 got 50 cents. This one is a new one that we started yesterday. Thanks for waddling back to see us. This is from Kimmy's Corner. I'm going to use yellow so we can do 50 cents. So 25 and 50. So it's light green because I used blue and yellow make green. So it's kind of like we used the similar color. That makes me feel better for using green. It does not go there. It goes here. Okay. 25. And then number 3 got 150 cents. So 50, 25, 25, and then 25, 50, 75, $1. So we have $2 for number 3. This is the watermelon. We only needed $1, so I'm going to take all the quarters, set it there, and I am going to color in my last 4 watermelon. I will be right back. Yay, so that is $4 going to Apple TV, which Apple TV is done. So I'm going to say I'm just going to do Walmart Plus. And that is $4. Alright, so we have another $1 that we can put into something. What is this one? This is another one from Tony at Dough and Discipline. The Great White Couch. Fisher Friends. This is cute. So we can do another $1. So we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. I think I'm going to take this out. These are from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. I might start doing volunteer dues. Okay. Or is that one full? That one might actually be done. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it empty, and that means it'll go to the business binder. All right, number 4, we have 50, 25, and 25 for $1.25. So $1.25 going in here. This one is from Tony at Dough and Discipline. Did we just finish this one? We did. Oh my goodness. So we have 25, and then 25, 50, 75, $1. And this one is Dog Supplies. And that's $3. That's exciting. Alright, so we need a new one. I definitely need to replenish. I'm going to do another teeny tiny one from Becca Budgets. I said Becca and I did not mean that. Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. That is the cutest thing. It's like a shell, but it's a cowboy. Oh my god. We don't have anything to put in there, so that little guy is going to go in there. Alright, number 5. Got, oops, 50. Alright, so we have 50, 25, 25. So $1, 25, 50, 75, $2.25 for number 5. And we have this cute one from Mindy at SW Fanatic Saves, Star Wars. So $2.25. Alright, so we have 25, and then we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2. So $2.25 going in here. We only have one more $1, and this one will be done. Okay, so take all the 25 cents. And then 50. All right, number 6. 50, $1, 50, $2, and then 25, 50, 75, $3 for number 6. And this one is from Candy at Stuff and Budgets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And I'm going to make this one $7, so $1, so that'll be $7. I guess I can put that there. 125. All right, so we have $1. I'm going to take away here. Those were all quarters. So I'm going to do this one down here for $1. All right, now I have $2 that I can do up here. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2. All right, great start on this one. Summertime from Candy at Stuff and Budget. So these are all 50 cents. Yay, we finished some. All right, so we're gonna go to the back and look at our 50s. So I think we needed 4, so 51, 52, 53, and 54. All right, so that means the rest of our prop coins are our quarters, which go here. All right, so we have $3 and $4. I don't know, I do not have that much. $3 and $4. Okay, so let's go in the back. We're gonna get change for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put you back in here. Come back here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 1, 2, and 3. All right, Walmart Plus. How much do I have in vitamins? Okay, I just ordered vitamins, so I was curious. Okay, so that is Walmart Plus. We're gonna put $4 in there. And then dog supplies for this cute one from Tony at Dough and Discipline. Dog supplies, which only has 5, so we have $8 in there now. All right, and we will put these 2 in our completed, and I will get some more added to the queue for tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you tomorrow, and take care. Bye.